station and extra edition stuff. A Christmas tree, little ice fishing scene, the outdoor Christmas tree. I think there's still another tree to come in this build that's inside of the post office. Wow, even the North Pole post office gets the old junk mail. There you go. Elprem, welcome in. Hi. Thanks for saying hi today, Elprem. Good to see you. Glad you're here with us, and get some good rest, right? Wishing you good sleep, good dreams, good rest, good sleep, good dreams. Good night, good night. Yo, a turkey dance to help go to bed. I love that. Boots, 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 cats, boots, 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 boots and cats, boots and cats. That's some good pre-bed turkey dancing. Let's go. Cheers, Elprim. Killing with the RJ head flip points redeemed. Let's go. Oh, I caught it on the first rotation that time. That thing's been getting out of control on me lately. That was a good RJ hat flip. Boy, did it. Thanks, Gillen. Oh, so here's our gift wrapping machine. Let's go. Oh, it's a mail sorter. Ah. So it tells whether or not it's a letter for Santa or junk mail. Now I get it. Now I see. It's our letter sorter. Y'all, it's the letters to Santa sorting machine. Yes. That's fantastic. That is fantastic.